Hi, I'm Nancy. Welcome to my kitchen. So let's get started.
Today I'm making Shanghai vegetarian stir-fry rice cakes. So let's review the ingredients. These are sliced rice cakes, and you can find this in the refrigerated section of the Asian market, or you can even find it in the freezer sometimes, and they have it in a dried form. And these need to be soaked in tepid water for at least 1 hour. If you're using the dried form, it needs to be probably soaked overnight. And I'm using a Korean brand, and this is a 32-ounce package, and they're also available, I believe, in a 24-ounce pack. You can use as much as you want and freeze the rest, but make sure to use it within 4 to 6 weeks. Have bamboo shoot, and this is a preserved mustard. I'm using a package from the refrigerated section of the Asian market, and this is a chewy, and it comes marinated with a lot of spices. It's quite tasty, and you can get it in smaller packs. Have dried mushrooms that's been soaked in hot water for an hour. Have garlic, Napa cabbage, green onion, seasoning salt mix, white pepper, Shaoxing wine, soy sauce, and sesame oil. For the prep, let's start with the mushrooms. I'm going to de-stem it. And we'll slice it. Okay, save the soaking liquid. We're going to use it in cooking. And next, we'll slice the garlic. Okay, put that aside. And for the Napa cabbage, we're going to slice it thinly. And next we'll cut the green onions. I'm going to separate the whites. We'll also mince the green part. Done. And for the rice cakes, just separate the ones that are sticking together. You don't want it to clump up together when you're cooking it. Okay, that looks good. Okay, so all the prep is done. Let's start cooking. Okay, I have the pan set at a medium-high heat. We'll add oil. Add the garlic and the green part of the onion, or the white part, sorry. Add the bamboo shoot. Add the mushrooms. Add the preserved mustard. Add the seasoning salt, add the white pepper, sesame oil, and we'll add the rice cake. Give this a good toss. And we can add the soaking liquid. Cover it and let it cook for a minute. Okay, remove the cover. Add the Napa cabbage and the green onion.
Napa soy sauce and Shaoxing wine. The Napa cabbage cooks up really fast. They're sliced thin. Give it a taste and you can adjust the seasoning. That's really good. Okay, turn it off. This is ready. So let's serve this.
And here we have a delicious plate of Shanghai vegetarian stir-fried rice cake. When you order this at the restaurant, it's usually served with shredded pork. So this is a nice vegetarian variation with Napa cabbage, preserved mustard, bamboo shoots, and mushrooms. The rice cakes have a sticky, chewy, very addictive texture. You'll love it. Enjoy! Okay, so let's see if Shadow likes it. Ooh, she likes the chewy rice cakes too. Thank you for watching, everyone. Until next time, eat well and be healthy. Good girl.